Hey. You see that popcorn right there? Oh yeah, sorry. This is a video, Jarlin. This is a little thing I've never done before with you guys. So you see downrange with that Coke, right? Now hold on. My head hurts right now from trying to set up this damn camera, but I gotta cock it. No, gotta hurry up. Let's ammo in. I don't want this video to be too long, you know what I mean? But my mission is to assassinate the Santa Coke. Because the Santa Coke, I heard, has not been giving the kids their Christmas presents. So, if you know, you know. So, we gotta make them pay for not giving out the Christmas presents. Sorry, guys. Where is it? Where is the Santa Coke? I lost me. There's Santa Coke. Good. Santa Coke's in view. Okay. Let's shoot Santa Coke. That's what we want. Maybe not from this low though, but because I can't land the ground with this rifle. Okay, here we go. Aiming. Okay, let me go with this. Okay. Here we go. Hit it. Let's try it again. It is one of the small Cokes, so it makes sense why it'd be kind of a hard target. God damn it, don't tell me it's doing what I think it's doing. Hold on. Why is it moving the camera? Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt a lot. I did not like that. I did not appreciate that. Okay. Sorry, guys. The wind today is horrendous. Stay. I need you to say one. Field of view. Hey, right there. That's good. That's Santa Coke. We love Santa Coke, right? If you love Santa Fe so much, you gotta love Santa Coke. You gotta get veg. There we go. We got Santa Coke, pretty good. And let's at least take one more shot. Santa Coke needs to die. I can't tell if he's dead. No, he must die. That's pretty eventful, honestly. Let's take one more shot. Definitely hit it. Well, let's go check out the damage. Legs. Okay. So, my question is, ooh, that's some crazy spray. Yeah, it got wet down here, but. Where we mainly hit. This is okay. So I'm thinking as I hit down here, somehow that made that go explodey. Which I don't understand how that would work, but there's no other entry holes except down here. If I was shooting like that, all the coke's gone. Huh? Well, Santa Coke is definitely dead. Santa Coke is dead.